about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ashley Caldwell Creative. This is episode 12. And today we're going to talk about something to do with Etsy and something that a lot of people have questions about. And it's a really great question, and I had questions about it a lot at first. And I am not like a top seller on Etsy. Absolutely not. I sell every month. Do I make thousands of dollars? No, I do not. However, I have learned tips and tricks along the way these last few months that I just want to share with you. And as I continue to learn them, I'll continue to share them with you. So today we're going to talk about ways to get more views to your listings and more favorites on your listings other than through SEO, because SEO is really hard, and this actually requires no SEO skills at all. And honestly, you could write whatever tag you wanted pretty well. It still needs to be reasonably close to what it is. But what I'm saying is it doesn't have to be long tail tags and things of that nature. Is promoted listings on Etsy. Promoted listings on Etsy will, pretty much guarantee that you're going to get a favorite or views. The reason why it will pretty well guarantee that you're going to get favorites and views is because, you're paying Etsy to promote your listing. So if you're scrolling through Etsy and you see on a listing at the top, I believe it's the top left-hand corner, it will say ad, ad, and that is a promoted listing. And Etsy will promote all of your listings all day long and every day, all 30 days of the month. And depending on how much you choose to pay, will depend upon how much they'll get promoted and shown to people. And I have made sales from those promoted listings and pocketed, where I have mine set at $2 a day. So you could set it at more than $2 a day, obviously, and they're going to show more. But you have to keep in mind that if you do it too high, are you going to pocket? Or are you going to, everything you paid into ads, is there going to be a difference at the end of the day from how much you made to how much you paid that day in ads? Okay, I gotta hurry. My battery's about to die. But like I was saying, so I do $2 a day, and I get fairly good impressions with that. I get probably 10 favorites a day. Some of them have turned into sales, some of them haven't. But with that $2 a day, I feel like getting all those favorites, that is helping my shop because I'm getting favorites. And I am not using any of those Facebook things where you get people to go and like your stuff so that way you can get sales. This is totally through the promoted listings. And so check out promoted listings. I know it seems spending money, but you have to spend money to make money. It is it's a rule. It's an unwritten rule. You have to spend money to make money. And the more money you spend, the more money you're going to make. So for right now, like I said, I just do $2. I started at $1 and I went to $2. I'm now to $2. And the more I make, the more I'll spend. So, and let me just kind of look here real quick and give you a figure on just for today, how many listings have been promoted. Let's refresh it real quick so it's accurate. today already, Etsy has done 335 promoted listings on mine. On a good day, 899 clicks, 140 so far this week. It shows like a week timeline. 140 clicks on those items. I've had 8 today that have been clicked on. They show you how much you do per day on your promoted. So you don't always go up to your whole $2. Like today I've only done 53. Here's all the way to 2. You don't always go. I'm sure you guys can't see this, but I'm reading it off to you. So far on this week, I've had 0 orders from those listings. So I have sold things, but none of them have come from my promoted listings. They've come from my SEO. So SEO is still important, but if you want to get traffic to your stuff and favorites, this is a guaranteed way it's going to do it. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.
With no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we